Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to make some German phrases bingo cards using software called Bingo Card Printer, which you can download from bingocardprinter.com. This is the initial screen of the program. I click Create New Bingo Card Project, and now I'm given a choice of what kind of bingo card I'd like to create. I can choose a blank bingo card where I enter my own words. I can choose alphabet bingo cards. I can choose numbers. I can also choose school subjects like English or geography, for example, here, different countries, history, um, such as American Civil War and so on, science, math. I can choose events like baby showers, birthdays and so forth. I can choose holidays like 4th of July, Canada, Chinese New Year. But in this case I'm going to choose languages, and if I look at that page I can see German phrases, so I select that item, I either double click on it, I click it and then click OK, and here are my German phrases. And I've got my example bingo card with the German phrases, and the example bingo card, the phrases are in the same order as in this window. In the real bingo card, of course, they'll be shuffled in a random order, and every bingo card will be different. I can add additional words or phrases by typing them in here, and if I want to remove a word or phrase, I simply highlight it with the mouse and I'll click the delete button here to remove it. But I'll stick with the standard German phrases for now. I can also adjust the appearance of the bingo card. I can change the size of it. I can make a smaller 3x3 bingo card, 4x4, the 5x5 bingo card that I started with, or 6x6. I haven't got enough phrases entered to fill out a 6x6, so we'll go back to 5x5 for now. I can choose whether or not to put this heading on the bingo card, and I could actually change the word as well if I wanted to, and I can choose whether or not to put the special free space square in the middle of the bingo card, and again I can choose what word to include there. I can also customize the fonts and the colors of the bingo cards. I've changed the colors. We'll perhaps use the colors from the German flag, which is black, yellow and red. So we'll make the squares horizontal stripes of yellow and red, except for we'll make the free space square a black background with yellow text. And we can change the heading color. We'll make that a black background with red text in this example. We could change the line color as well, but I'll leave that as it is for now. And if I click OK, there's my German colors bingo card. Okay, I'm now ready to print. So let's look at the options that affect the printing, which are all on the right hand side here. The first option is to print a call list. That's basically a list of words or phrases in random order printed on an extra sheet. It's very useful if you're using the bingo cards in a teaching situation or something like that. You have a reference with all the words on it. You don't have to print it if you don't want it, but if you want to just call from a sheet, you can do so. If you don't want it, just uncheck it. In this example, I'll leave it on so you can see what it looks like. I also can choose how many bingo cards to print on each page. I can print more or less. The more, if I print more bingo cards per page, each bingo card will be smaller. But if I'm printing a large number, I could save paper by doing so. Of course, I might have to cut the paper up if I want to give one bingo card per player, and I'm printing 4 per page. But we'll stick to 1 for this example. And I can choose how many different bingo cards I want to print. I could put 1, I could put 10, I could put 100, I could put 1,000, I can put up to 9,999. So in this example, let's put 50 as the number of different bingo cards I need. So I would now do print, or in this case I'm going to do print preview so you can see on screen what the printout would look like. First page is the call list, the list of words and phrases in random order that I mentioned earlier. You can see all there, all these German words and phrases. I'll zoom out so you can see the whole page, and then I'll do next page and you'll see the first bingo card. Here are the words and phrases laid out on the bingo card, and if I do next page you'll see the second bingo card is different, and the third bingo card is different, and the fourth is different, and so on, all the way up to 50 I chose to print, so I'll have 50 different bingo cards here. That's basically it, apart from one thing which I mentioned. As an alternative to using the call list, you can ask the software to select items at random for the bingo caller. So you say call game, and what happens here, it will choose the first item and show you it in this window. When I click next, it will choose the second item here, and it will show you the previous items on the left hand side. So when I click next, I'll see a third item and the previous items there, fourth item, fifth item, so on. That's it. If you go to bingocardprinter.com, you can download a free trial version of the software, try it out, see how you like it, and if you like it, register and upgrade to the full version of the program. which allows you to do everything you've seen in this video and a lot more. So if you go to bingocardprinter.com, you can download and try out the software. Thanks very much. Hope you enjoyed the video. Go to the website, download the software, try it out. Thank you very much.